welcome to my channel. I have noticed that a lot of registered affiliates on 5 billion sales are limiting their earnings to sell data income only, and that's too bad. Many have been registered for some months, yet they only have just one source of any income on 5 billion sales, which is only through sell your data. And this is because they have no good understanding of how to make money on 5 billion sales. They have no good understanding or good foundation on how 5 billion sales business works. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you 5 easy ways to make money on 5 billion sales as an affiliate. Now, guess what? The fifth way will leave your mouth wide open because it's the easiest way, yet the biggest way to make money on 5 billion sales. But unfortunately, a lot of people don't know about this. No one has told you yet, maybe, but ensure that you watch to the end so you don't miss any step along the way. You know what? If you miss any step, you may find it very hard to understand the fifth way. So before we continue, kindly hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more explanatory videos on how to build your 5 billion sales business and make thousands of dollars before the end of this year. Okay, without taking too much of our time, here are 5 ways to make money on 5 billion sales as an affiliate. Now, the first one, which is through sell your data, okay? This is probably what majority of us know about. Many just sell their data and then they relax. This is good, but it will limit your earnings to only $401 and maybe 5 cents yearly. That's too small to depend on, and that's just too small. It's too small. So when you sell your data on 5 billion sales, you earn $1.10 each day. But when you validate your data daily, you earn additional bonus called V bonus, that is validation bonus. Now this will add up to your this will add up your earnings to $182 and maybe 5 cents per year. So that is a total of $584 per year just by selling your data and validating daily. But this is just too small. It's too small. So that means you need to explore the second option so that you can make more money. So wait for it. Now, the second way to make money on 5 billion sales is through refer and earn. Okay. You know what? You make money or you make more money when you refer people to register on 5 billion sales and become a sell data user. Please take note of that word, sell data user, not just when you register anybody, no, but when you register a sell data user. So for every sell data user you refer, 5 billion sales will pay you $100 commission. Now, what do I mean by a sell data user? Now, if you check the number one here, it says selling your data. That means I'm already a sell data user. Now, a sell data user is someone who is selling his or her data on 5 billion sales. So when you share your link to people and then they register, it's not just all about registering. It doesn't end there. So what you have to do is to ensure that they activate their sell data. When they activate their sell data, this part of their dashboard will be showing selling data. So when they are selling their data, automatically you get paid $100 commission. Okay, so if you refer 100 people, you will earn $10,000, right? Now, if you refer 10,000 people, you will earn that's $100. Sorry, that's $100,000. Okay, so just do your own calculation and multiply the numbers of people you refer, multiply it by $100. And guess what? You can't just settle for less. No, you need more money. Okay, some people have referred 4,000 people and more. That is more than 4,000. That's huge money, isn't it? That's very huge, especially if you convert it to your own local currency. You know, our own naira has no value right now. So if you convert it to your local currency, you can see that that would be a huge amount of money. Okay, now so that it won't be like I'm lying about this that people have referred 4,000 people. Now, to avoid doubts or give you a feeling of some kind of exaggeration, here is an evidence to show, like to prove to you that a lot of people, like someone, even though it's not a lot of people, someone has referred over 4,000 people. Okay, so I want to show you something. This is This is an affiliate. Her name is Inga Stevenson. Pardon me for the pronunciation. This woman is very active affiliate. She's very active. I've attended as in yes, I've attended her Zoom meeting severally. She's always very active. And guess what? Please, what can you see right now? She has directly sponsored 4,509 people directly, personally. I hope you understand what I'm saying. She has referred 4,509 people all by herself. Now, when I said that have referred more than 4,000, you can see I am not lying. But now check our total network. All right, we'll come back to total network very soon. Okay, back to what we're talking about. You make money through sell your data, and then you make money through um referring people. Now that you know that you have now that you know that every person that you refer directly is worth $100 commission. Now, to earn $36,500 commission a year, all you have to do is to refer at least one person every day. Just refer every day, at least one person every day. Now, that would be $100 multiplied by 365 days because we have 365 days in a year, okay? Isn't it? Now, that will give you $36,500. Convert this to your local currency again and see your financial worth. That is money. Is money. So you can see the power of referral. You just have to refer people. So now, what is the third way of making money on 5 billion sales? It is what? True guarantee sales. That's the second one here. But in my own list, it is the third way of making money on 5 billion sales. Now, as an affiliate on 5 billion sales, you are expected to sell guarantee sales to to advertisers and online business owners. Okay. Now, go to your affiliate back office. I won't be clicking that right now, but you can see it on the screen. Your affiliate back office. When you click on your affiliate back office, there you will get access to your affiliate link. There's link for sell data, there's link for guarantee sales, and there's link for refer and end, and there is a general link. So there are about four different links there. Now pick the guarantee sales link and start sharing it, start promoting it. People that you know that they advertise online, perhaps advertise on other social media platforms, share your link with them, tell them about guarantee sales and tell them about how it works. Okay, so when you do this, you are exposing yourself to what? Money. That is more commission to your account. All right, so you will earn $3,020 on each advertiser that you get um to buy guarantee sales through your link. Now, the first $20 will be paid after 30 days of purchase. Then $1,000 will be paid thrice to you when 5 billion sales deliver sales to the advertiser. Okay, so if you are able to refer like let's say 10 advertisers, you will earn $3,020 multiplied by 10. That is about $30,200 in a year. Okay, this same woman I just showed you right now, Inga Stevenson, right? Pardon me for the pronunciation. She has referred, um, as in she has sold over, I think yes, over 100 guarantee sales. I hope you're getting my point. She has sold over 100. Now you can see that people are doing a lot of things. This thing is, some people are so skeptical about it, but this is real. This woman has sold over 100 guarantee sales and she has earned, just calculate that. That is $3,020 multiplied by 100. Now just calculate that and see the hundreds of thousands that she has made. And you know what? When you are able to sell guarantee sales to 10 advertisers, now instead of you to wait a year before you can withdraw your sell data commission, right? You will just get it after 2 months because selling adverts to 10 people will fast forward your payment. You won't have to wait for a year, but you will get paid within 2 months. So you can see that's another way of making more money on 5 billion sales. So in case you don't understand what guarantee sales is all about, I will leave a video link in the description below so you can watch the video after watching this present video, so you can get a better understanding of guarantee sales. But in a quick summary, I will try to explain guarantee sales as a form of advertising offered by 5 billion sales to online business owners or advertisers, and it promises to deliver 155,000 sales to advertisers thrice a year. Okay, so anyone that gets or buy guarantee sales, 5 billion sales will deliver 155,000 sales to them. 50, 55, that is $155,000 sales to them, so that you won't think it's naira, it's in dollars. Okay, to them thrice in a year. That is money. That's over 400 and something thousand, isn't it? $400,000. That's money. Now, without wasting too much of our time, to the main gist, which is the fifth way of making money. But before then, let's quickly take a look at the fourth way of making money on 5 billion sales. The fourth way of making money on 5 billion sales is through profit share. Okay, so when your downlines refer advertisers that bought guarantee sales, you will also earn $50 profit share with when 5 billion sales deliver sales to the advertiser. So that is when your downline, the person that you referred by yourself, your direct leg, your direct affiliate, when they refer um someone that gets 5 billion sales guaranteed sales, they themselves they will earn $1,000 commission. But you as the upline, you as the sponsor of the person that referred the advertiser, you will be paid $50. Okay, you'll be paid $50. So, and also when your downline also earn the first $20, you'll be paid $1. Okay, so now to the juicy part of it. The fifth way of making money on 5 billion sales is through what I call large network override. Large network override. Now, kindly smash the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Now, take a look at this affiliate business. This affiliate business I showed you earlier on. Now, I don't know what you see, but all I see is money. All I see is money. Now, this lady now, this woman, I mean, she directly sponsored 4,509 people by herself. And now look at her total network. Her total network is 387,510. Isn't it? That is money. That is money. I don't know. I don't know what you're seeing, but all I see is money. Now take a look at this guy. This guy sponsored just 49, not even up to 50, not up to 100, not up to 1,000 like the other woman. But this guy sponsored just 49 people. And guess what? His total network is 204,183. Now you can see the difference, right? But my major point here is override end. You know, we are talking about large network override. Now, his network is large. He has 214 214,000 183 network. Now, C is override. He has earned 100, that's over $100,000. Over $100,000. Now, guess how much the other woman has earned? Just multiply our total. How to get that is to multiply our total network by $5. Okay, although you know you don't earn override commission from your first level affiliate, you earn override commission from your level 2 affiliate to your 16 level affiliate. Okay, so the thing is, when you build a very large network of people on 5 billion sales, when you build a very large network of people on 5 billion sales, you will be rewarded with a large amount of money called override, just as you can see on the screen. An override is a commission you earn from your level 2 affiliate, just like I said earlier, down to your level 16 affiliate. Okay, so you earn $5 commission on each of your downlines from level 2 to level 16. So if you have 4,000 affiliates or downline, that is equal to $5 multiplied by 4,000, and that's about that's right, $20,000. Now, if you have 100,000 network, That is multiplied by 5 in your level 2 to level 16. Okay, multiply by 5, that is $500,000. Now you can see we are talking about money here, not just change but money. Okay, now the juicy thing about this fifth way is that your override earning keeps increasing daily, and this can only be achieved by having the right set of people as your downlines. When I say the right set, I mean people with the right mindset about the business. Okay, I mean people who believe in the business, people who have good energy towards the business, people who have good understanding of the business, not just lazy people. Okay, people who are highly motivated, and most importantly, people who are very active. Imagine you have this woman, this Stevenson, right? This UK woman. Imagine you have her as your downline. That is money. These are active people. Do you know what it takes to refer over 4,000 people? Do you know what it takes? Well, it doesn't take too much stress. At least check the population of people on earth and guess you can do a lot if your mind is willing and if you have the right mindset towards the business. Now, I need to call your attention to something. This woman referred over 4,000 people, right? And check her total network. That's 387 and 510. Compared it with this guy that referred 49 people and then his total network is 214, right? Now, my point right here is that you need active people. Don't just refer lazy people, refer active people. When you have active people, you will know that your network will keep increasing and growing and then you can earn more money. I want to believe that this woman, I think her network, people under her network, maybe they are not that active like her. Now, can you just imagine if all those 4,000 plus that she referred, if they are as active as she is, do you know the how large a network could be? A network could be in millions, and multiply that with $5. That is money. We are talking of money, right? This is money. Okay, so that is all about how to make money on 5 billion sales, and we are expecting many other streams of generating income on 5 billion sales. You just have to stay committed and connected to the business so that you can laugh at last. Okay, so that's all for this video. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make more money on 5 billion sales. Till we see in the next video, I wish you the best in your business. So bye.